Good morning everyone! Magandang umaga sa lahat. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Buenos dias a todos. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I'm Christian Anthony Embesa, a youth servant leader, promoting peace and development and youth empowerment. Together, with our micro efforts, we can create a macro sustainable impact within our community. Kaya tayong mga kabataan, katuwang ang iba't ibang ahensya ng ating pamahalaan, let's make our mark, create our history, and a life-changing story. Bye-bye!